CoinSavi has just launched their crypto exchange and they are giving out their native token for free. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get their native token, Savi token, for free on their CoinSavi app and everything you need to know about CoinSavi mining. CoinSavi is partnering with Remitano. You remember Remitano exchange? If you missed their airdrop, you know what you missed. They're partnering with Remitano to offer their native token, just like BuySwift that launched their crypto exchange. I have a video on that. Go ahead and watch it, sign up and earn BSF token. So the CoinSavi app is available on Android and iOS, and each mining session lasts 4 hours. So to mine Savi for free on the CoinSavi app, download the CoinSavi app, sign up with my invitation code, and when you open the app, you see mining Savi token. Okay, click on the mine now button to mine, and it's already mining. Each session lasts for 4 hours, so you can complete 3 mining sessions per day. Assuming your mining session hasn't started for you who just signed up, you will see mine Savi and you click on it and it will start. If you mine consecutively for 30 days, you get 1 free Savi token. The more referrals you have, the more bonuses you get, and you will need to do your KYC. For those of you who are already on Remitano, your KYC will be very easy, instant, because you can transfer your KYC from Remitano to CoinSavi and be instantly verified. So if you're already verified on Remitano, choose the option to link your Remitano account for instant verification. If you're not on Remitano, you can also sign up on Remitano right now, complete your KYC on Remitano and link it. That's if KYC isn't available in your region. But if KYC is available in your region and you're not a Remitano user, you can just do the KYC on the CoinSavi app. Now, there are 3 ways you can boost your Savi mining rate. The first one is completing a spot trade worth at least $20. That gives you extra 0.0 Savi per session for 50 sessions. The next one is to make a deposit of at least $100. That gives you the same bonus but for 10 sessions. And the last one is to accumulate a minimum spot trading volume of $500, and that one gives you extra 0.12 Savi per session for 50 sessions. Now you may be wondering, you may be saying, I don't have up to $100 to deposit. I don't have up to $500 to trade and accumulate the trading volume of $500. There is a secret way to do it, okay? So I'm going to show you right now. So if you don't have that amount to trade, or you are scared of trading on spot with volatile tokens so you don't lose your funds, this is what you do. Make sure you have at least $103 or $105, at least something above $100, because you'll be losing about $1 to $2 because of the transaction fee and the imperfect 1:1 ratio of the stable coins you'll be trading. So the first things first, send $110 from your wallet to the CoinSavi exchange. That automatically activates the $100 deposit volume bonus. Then for the spot trading, you don't need to trade altcoins. There is the USDC USDT pair in the CoinSavi exchange, so you trade with that. Okay, you trade with that and you accumulate your $20 spot trading volume. Okay, you may just lose maybe 0.5 or something because of the trading fee, and because the USDT to USDC may not be exactly 1:1, it may be 0.999 to 1 and all that. So that's very little price to pay. Then the last one, to accumulate a minimum spot trading volume of $500, you do the same thing. Okay, you keep trading USDT for USDC and vice versa. Okay, you trade $100 worth of USDT for USDC, you may get 99.9, and you do the same thing, keep trading 5 times. By the time you get to the 6th trade, you have accumulated 500 USDT volume without spending more than $100. So when you're done, you can withdraw the remaining money to your wallet, or you keep it on CoinSavi and trade. Okay, so doing this, you get all these boosts and you can mine Savi much faster. Okay, don't forget to refer your friends. The more referrals you have, the higher your boost and other rewards. So guys, this is how you mine Savi. This is how you earn Savi. For now, the launch date for the Savi token is yet to be announced, so we don't know when it's going to launch. So rush now while the mining period is still active. So guys, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, if you're stuck at any point, feel free to ask for help in the Telegram group. The link is in the description. You can follow my Telegram channel, follow me on my other social media. The links are in the description. So keep mining Savi, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.